Namaste. Welcome to Learners to Talk. Let us understand average period method. Problem 2. Deepthi and Shreya are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Shreya withdrew 1000 rupees at beginning of every month for the half year ending 30th September 2019. See, beginning of every month. That means April 1st, May 1st, every month beginning till September she has withdrew 1000 rupees for half year means 6 months. So we have to calculate interest on Shreya's drawings at what rate? 8% per annum under average period method. Now step 1 is calculation of average period. So average period is equals to longest outstanding period plus shortest outstanding period divided by 2. What is the longest period? It is 6 months, correct? 6 months. Shortest is 1, so divided by 2 is 7 by 2 is nothing but 3.5 months. If you know this table, you can easily write. See, they have given half year ending average period beginning of every month. This was the statement given. So very easy. If you know this table, just write 6 plus 1 by 2, 7 by 2, 3.5 months. Step 2 is calculation of total drawings. How much was drawing? 1000 rupees. For how many months? 6 months. So 1000 into 6 is 6000 is total drawings. Next, step 3, calculation of interest. What is the formula? Total drawings into average period into rate into 1 by 2. Now, total drawings is 6000, 6000. Average period is 3.5 months. But for simplifying calculation, I'll take 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 1 into 1 by 2 into at what rate of interest they have told? It was 8%. So it is 8 by 100. 6000 into 7 by 2 into 1 by 12 into 8 by 100 is nothing but rupees 140. So interest on Shreya's drawings is rupees 140. Now let us understand problem 3. Savitri and Bharati are partners sharing profit and losses equally. Both are sharing the profit and losses equally. So Savitri withdrew rupees 1500 at beginning of each month. Every month Savitri is taking how much? 1500. And Bharati withdrew 2000 at end of each month for the year ending 31st March 2020. Every year, Savitri is taking 1500 for 12 months beginning Jan 1st, 1st Feb, like that. Okay, likewise. Bharati is withdrawing 2000 end of every month, Jan 30th, likewise. Okay, so we have to calculate interest on partners drawing at 12% per annum under average period method. In this problem, we have two persons calculation of interest on partners drawing. First, let us calculate interest on Savitri's drawings. Step 1 is calculation of average period. Longest outstanding period plus shortest outstanding period divided by 2. Now, what is the longest outstanding period in Savitri's case? It is 12 months. Correct. She is taking it for beginning of each month and it is year ending. Year means 12 months. Correct. 12 months. Shortest is 1 month. So, 12 plus 1 by 2. That is nothing but 13 by 2. That is 6.5 months. Next, how much she is taking? 1500. She draw 1500 every month. So calculation of total drawings, 1500 into how many months? 12 months. So rupees 18,000. Next, calculation of interest. Now, interest is equal to total drawings into average period into rate into 1 by 12. What was the total drawings? Was 18,000. Okay. At what percent they would have given? At 12% per annum. So 12 by 100. Now, average period is 6 by 2. 1 by 2, right? No, 6 and so I'll take 13 by 2 for simple calculation. 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. So 18,000 into 12 by 100 into 13 by 2 into 1 by 12 is nothing but rupees 1170. So interest on Savitri's drawings is rupees 1170. Now we have to calculate interest on Bharati's drawings. Calculation of average period. The formula is longest outstanding period plus shortest outstanding period divided by 2. Now Bharati withdrew how much? 2000. End of each month. End means it is 30th Jan. So likewise till 30th December, right? So how many months will we get? 11 months is longest outstanding period. But shortest should be 0. So 11 plus 0 by 2, 11 by 2, 5.5 months. For this calculation, you can also refer to table. See here, year ending average period, end of every month. So 11 plus 0 by 2, 11 by 2, 5.5 months. Next is how much Bharati took? 2000. So calculation of total drawings is 2000. For 12 months, it's a 24,000. Next, calculation of interest. Total drawings into rate into average period into 1 by 2. 1 by 12. So total drawings is 24,000 into, at what rate it was? 12%. So 12 by 100 into this one. 5.5 months. I will take 11 by 2. 11 by 2 into 1 by 12 will give you rupees 1320. So the interest on Bharati's drawings is rupees 1320. They had given two person, that was Bharati and Savitri. We calculated both. Now let us understand problem 4. Mr. Akash, a partner, withdrew 3000 at 15th of every month for half year ending 30th September 2019. Half means middle of every month. He took for 6 months how much? 3000. So the rate of interest for partners drawings at 6% per annum. So calculate interest on Akash drawings under average period method. Now 6 months it is, it's nothing, for half year means 6 months. 15th of every month. So like that we have to calculate. Now 15th of every month till 30th September. Now how many months will it come? Longest period is 5.5 months. Okay. Shortest is half month. So add this both, will get 6 by 2. That is 3 months. Next we have to calculate total drawings. How much was the partners? How much did he withdraw? It was 3000. 3000 for 6 months. So 3000 into 6 is rupees 18,000. This is the calculation of total drawings. Next, calculation of interest. Now interest is equal to total drawings into rate into average period. So total drawings is 18,000. At what rate they told? They have told 6% per annum. So 6 by 100 into, here it is average period. What you can take? 3 by 12. What I have done is, the formula of interest is nothing but into 1 by 12. Okay. So what I have done, I have cross multiplied and directly written as 3 by 12. So 18,000 into 6 by 100 into 3 by 12 is nothing but 270. So interest on Akash drawings is rupees 270. Thank you for watching Learner's Tutor. Please like, share and subscribe.